Hello everyone, welcome back. I've asked you to do step 1 for assignment score. So here is my solution. There. You can see that these particular constructors only involve assigning the parameter values to the instance variable. So for the one where we have two parameters, we assign those two to their related instance variables here. And the third we assume will be 100. And on this one, I was given all three parameter values, and so I assigned all three instance variables from the parameters there. Now here, just to show you what's going on, you'll notice that for all these others, the parameter is one name and the instance variable has a different name. And there is no ambiguity between what's a parameter and what's an instance variable. Here, there is a naming collision between the parameter name and the instance variable name. And the question is, who wins? When there's a naming collision like this, the parameter will win. So how do I set this parameter value to my instance variable when I can't tell them apart by name? I use the this keyword. This means my object. It's sometimes referred to as the default of the implicit parameter. If you remember back to the memory model we have for objects, we have a reference. The object itself actually lives in the heap. And the reason we have the syntax jtextfield1.getText versus jtextfield2.getText is because those two jtextfield variables reference different objects, and you're going to get different values depending on what object you specify. Well, whatever object is specified when I need to refer to what object I'm pointing at is going to be referenced by the this parameter, or the this keyword rather. And you don't need it very often, but when you do, there's only one way to do it. And it's mostly used to resolve naming collision problems between parameters and instance variables. So what I want you to do now is step 2, which is in here somewhere. Yes, I gave a getter for points earned. I gave a setter for points earned, but there are points possible. There's the name, and I want you to finish the getters and the setters for those other two instance variables. Look at the Java doc. Not everything has a setter on it. Okay, so I'll let you do that, and I'll see you in a minute.